Now let's see the gold yesterday created indecision candle. We can see that the week started with the gap. The close price of the Friday and the open price of Monday. From the yesterday we can see this gap was closed. The prices returned up, just closing the gap, returning back down and almost closed the day at the same price as the day has opened. So it was a decision candle and the price was trying also to move below this area of support 3314.79 but unsuccessfully. Then we can see on the 4-hour time frame how the price has behaved. Since starting the day, we can see the price started to rise in value, closing the small gap that has been created. The price reached at 3343.00 and from there the price has returned back down. This strong bearish candle, we can see it was the only bearish momentum that has created on the market yesterday, did not move further down, but the price has reversed back up. And we can see currently it is around this area of a daily, currently acting as a resistance 3314.79. Now what we can expect for today? Well, it is very hard to predict what could happen, but everything looks as a bearish. So I am more inclined to see the price moving further down. But first of all, I would like to see on the lower time frame, like 4-hour time frame, to see the price returning back below 3301.18. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price has stuck for several hours around this area of support and resistance. It is a daily resistance and daily support. Here it was a resistance and here it is currently acting as a support. So will the price manage to go further down? Going below 3305.89, it will be the first sign of weakness and the continuation of this strong bearish momentum that is currently on the market. But the price also could reverse back up, going further up, rising in value, reaching again 3343.00, which is a very potent resistance level currently on the market. Now it's very hard to predict because everything is still indecision. We can see that from the yesterday, indecision candle has been created, so the price could go in any of the directions. But I'm saying that I'm more inclined to see the price going further up, further down, continue to lose its value, and then reaching the lower levels. Where the price could stop, it is around this area of support, around this area here, around 3300. Here it is, just a minute. It is 3300, where the price has reached yesterday, very close to that price level. So after that, if the price manages to go below this area of support, it will be continuation of the further bearish momentum targeting 3272.61. So I will watch closely what happens around this area of support and the resistance, but I am more inclined to see the price going further down. We can see that here, and if the price manages to go to the 4-hour time frame below this area of support, it will be also a first sign of weakness, which means the price will try to reach again support level 3301.18. So for now, it is we need to be cautious. I will be very cautious watching on the 1-hour time frame how the price behaves, where the price makes a breakout. Is it bullish or bearish? And then I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed where the price could go further on during this day. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.